Hey everyone, welcome to SQL Launcher by RocketCPE, where CPE doesn't suck and you'll actually learn something. We're bringing you this course because we scoured the web, but we couldn't find a single CPE course on perhaps the most important technology to date, SQL. You might need SQL if you've been working in Excel and, you get this error message, or your spreadsheets flat out crashed because they're overly bloated and unusable. You may need SQL if you've heard about the impending robot apocalypse that's heading for the accounting and finance industry. All jokes aside, it is time to tool up so that you can analyze data, and SQL is the skill you'll need to be relevant. You might need SQL if you've heard about big data and wish to wield its powers for fun and profit. And you might need SQL if you've considered, a career change from accountant to analyst, or finance, or any job where you need to make good decisions with data. So in the SQL Launcher course, we'll teach you the following. Just SQL overview, how to set up your computer so that you can pull data and filter data, order your results, group results on the fields, and join tables. And the course comes with hours of quality video and real-world simulations, so you can actually test your knowledge instead of pressing Control F and finding answers, so you can just get CPE credit. And finally, you'll get to check off some CPE on your list. Now, if you're still watching this, you're obviously interested, so here's a little background information on the nerds that are presenting. Jeff Potter is a data guru with years of experience in data science and programming. He has a master's in information systems from BYU's Marriott School of Business and also a bachelor's in information systems. And I'm John Potter. I'm a CPA, and I also have years of experience in public accounting and industry, and I also have a couple degrees from BYU, Marriott School of Business, in accounting. So we're really excited to offer this course. We're launching soon, so sign up for our email list and we'll keep you posted. And, for your troubles, we may give you a few perks for signing up early. Thanks.